Welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. The ability to create a competitive edge from the data is important. It is true that customer data can give you unbeatable opportunities. The more customers you have, the more data you can gather. We live in the data era characterized by an explosion of data sources and the race to collect data both from us and about us, and innovations in analytics and artificial intelligence that help us extract more value from data. By 2025, most of this data will be processed outside a traditional data center or cloud. The ultimate goal is to generate new business insights and move toward becoming a data-driven organization. Edge will be an important factor in making this happen. IDC predicts that by 2024, due to an explosion of edge data, 65% of the G2000 will embed edge-first data stewardship, security and network practices into data protection plans to integrate edge data into relevant processes. Going with this notion, we anticipate that the entire data management ecosystem will develop and utilize edge IT capacity at an ingress and egress of their data pipelines and remotely process and digest data on the edge. Edge solutions will become the most feasible option for real-time data processing and for harnessing data-driven insights at or near the source of data generation. This is very significant as it means a shift of focus on many fronts. Organizations will have to consider what data to capture at its edge locations, such as branches for banks and stores for retailers. They will have to frame a seamless ecosystem with the right infrastructure to host the data, the right place to run it, the right applications to analyze the data, and most importantly, the right process to manage and secure these remote edge locations. The government is using data analytics that helps governments focus more on preventing problems instead of just reacting to them. When we see the core sectors like retail, which is an essential sector, the use of video analytics and computer vision has made it feasible to collect insights on customer behavior at the retail store level. This data collected at the edge can inform many departments within the retailer. Secondly, healthcare is another vertical where edge users cases are gaining attention. Hospitals are looking for real-time tracking of people and assets and combining it with other sources of data to generate meaningful insights. Advances in AI, along with digital pathology, are enabling pathologists to speed their image analysis, all while reducing human error. When we see the manufacturing industry, where margins are tight and competition is fierce, many manufacturers are looking for ways to optimize their operations, minimize waste, and create a better workforce experience. Edge computing is one of the core components of the industrial Internet of Things and plays a significant role in accelerating the journey towards Industry 4.0 adoption. As a result, modern data management is set to change. Most of the world's data is predicted to move out of the public cloud environment where non-real-time, centralized data is being managed. Whatever industry one is in, Edge will play a role in today and in the future to drive efficiency and innovation through data. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. 9,500 patents in the US found to be filed by Indian companies in last 6 years. According to NASSCOM's India Patents Report, Indian companies have filed over 9,500 patents in the US between 2015 to 2021, an increase of around 47% over 2015 to 2019. The report also mentioned that 138,000 technology-related patents in India were also filed during the same period. Out of the 9,500 patents, top domain areas in tech space were computer technology, communication technology, and artificial intelligence. Software apps, healthcare, and medical devices were leading as top application areas in patent filing with a combined share of over 21% compared to a similar share in 2015 to 19 period. Google introduces cookie opt-out for European users. Google has announced to roll out an option to reject cookies with a single click for European users. The update has started to be deployed in France on YouTube and will be extended to all its platforms across Europe. The company said that it is committed to changing its practices after French data watchdog CNIL slapped it with a fine of €150 million earlier this year. Both Google and Facebook have faced a blitz of legal cases and punishments over its use of web tracking technology, which breaches EU privacy legislation. Instagram launches enhanced tags on Reels. Instagram announced enhanced tags on Reels to make it easier for creators to receive credit for their work. The enhanced tags was launched last month for Feed, but now it is available on Reels as well. Enhanced tags allow a creator's self-designated profile category on their professional accounts to be displayed in their people tag so that people can share and view a creator's specific contribution to a photo or video post. Ubisoft reportedly targeted for takeover. Assassin's Creed creator Ubisoft is reportedly being studied by private equity firms with preliminary takeover interest. Several companies including Blackstone and KKR & Co. are considering a takeover. CEO Yves Guillemot said that Ubisoft is open to reviewing any offers to buy the publisher but confirmed nothing about being approached by potential buyers. It is currently uncertain if it will or if the firms will pursue a takeover at all. Authentic Brands Group sues Bolt. Payment startup Bolt Financial is being sued by its most prominent customer. The complaint by Authentic Brands Group alleges that Bolt not only failed to deliver promised technology, but during Bolt's integration with Forever 21, the clothier lost out on more than $150 million in online sales. The complaint also states that Bolt raised funding at increasingly high valuations by consistently overstating the nature of its integration with ABG's brands. However, Bolt said that ABG's claims are without merit and are a transparent attempt to renegotiate the terms of the company's agreements. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.